Welcome back, students. This is remaining part of our last lecture. In our last lecture, we discussed history of English novel. Now here we are going to discuss elements of novel. So let us start. We will go one by one towards each element. There are 6 elements of novel. The first one is plot, second one is character, third one is conflict, fourth one is theme, fifth one is setting, and the last one is language or style. Now the first one is plot. What is plot? So plot is a narrative story. It is, or we can say it is the sequence of the events which make up the theme. Plot may be simple or complex also. So in a story it consists some subplots also. So in a simple we can say that plot is a sequence of events or incidents in a story of a novel. Now let us go towards the next one, that is character. So you must know these people. They play different characters in a movie. Same way in a story also there is a character. So character guides the readers through their stories and helping them to understand plots and themes. So the important character always described by the writer through each and every event of the story. But minor characters, they are not giving much importance. So the readers follows the action of main character only throughout the novel, and this type of character is called protagonist. So children, the opposite of protagonist is antagonist, and protagonist means the main character of a story, and antagonist means the character who is playing negative role in a story. Okay, now coming to the next one. So by the picture only you can understand that what is conflict. So conflict is a story between two opposite forces in the novel, means it is about between two forces in a form of a battle or a struggle. Okay, now students, coming to the next one, that is theme. So theme can be expressed in a general way as an idea of love, hatred, friendship, relationship, or an idea related to some social or political issues. So in a simple we can say that theme is the central idea of a novel. Now students, coming to the setting. What is setting? So setting, it include place, time, climate, weather and lifestyle. So generally plot and character, these are two main elements which are affected due to settings. So we can say the background of a story is also a part of setting. Now students, coming to the last one, that is language or style. So the language and techniques used by the author for the narration of events is known as style. It includes phrases, idioms, some linguistic devices, some good vocabulary, which makes the narrative very much effective. And all these factors comes under language or style. And these are the factors which attract the readers to read more books of a particular author. So that comes under language or style. Now students, this is the second part of our lecture, history of English novel. Now in the third and last part, we are going to discuss the types of novel. The types of novel like historical novel, epistolary novel, gothic novels, autobiographical novels, realistic novels, picaresque novel. So different kinds of novels are there, and about all these novels we are going to discuss in the last and third part of our lecture. So I hope you understand the elements of novel. So you should go through the first our audio visual lecture also, so that you will understand and you will get link of our lecture, history of English novel. Then you will understand the elements of novel, and now in last lecture we will discuss the types of novel. So I hope you understood well. Thank you, students.